an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve.
Good morning, Bitcoin. Today is Saturday, March 13th, 2021. My name is Thomas Hunt, and here's what's happening today in Bitcoin. Bitcoin surpasses $60,000 in record high as rally accelerates. Banned from Bitcoin posts, WallStreetBets turns to crypto miners. But first, the price of Bitcoin is up 4.11% in the last 24 hours, with a last of 59,748, a high of 60,499, and a low of 56,130. That's $1 for 1,674 Satoshis. Volume was at 13,358 Bitcoins changing hands. The market continues to lean long, with 94% heading that direction. Bitcoin dominance was at 80%. That's 17 Satoshis for a penny. Bitcoin surpasses $60,000 in record high as rally accelerates. Bitcoin crossed a record high of $60,000 on Saturday morning, continuing its rally as major companies and financial institutions adopt cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, the world's biggest cryptocurrency, was at 60,415 as of 7:25 a.m. Eastern Time, according to Coinbase, recovering from a dip at the end of February that followed a previous record high that month. The digital currency is up 963% over the last 12 months. Its value surpassed $1 trillion last week for the second time this year. Bitcoin's rally is driven partly by increased adoption by larger institutional investors and firms and speculative demand. Tesla has purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and plans to accept the digital coin as payment for its products, a decision that sparked more widespread interest. MasterCard also said it will open up its network to some digital currencies, and PayPal and BNY Mellon have made some moves into this space. Bitcoin believers argue the current rally is fueled by demand from institutional investors and is different from past rallies, such as when Bitcoin skyrocketed to nearly $20,000 in late 2017 before losing about 80% of its value the next year. Others argue that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have no intrinsic value and worry that Bitcoin could be one of the biggest stimulus-fueled market bubbles on record. Banned from Bitcoin posts, WallStreetBets turns to crypto miners. Bitcoin's retail investor-driven surge has nothing on its miners and trading firms. Just look at WallStreetBets, the freewheeling forum favored by amateur traders whose touts led to a frenzy in video game retailer GameStop's stock. Reddit message board WallStreetBets has a no cryptocurrency rule, which forbids posts devoted solely to digital tokens like Bitcoin and their underlying technology. There are offshoots like Satoshi Street Bets for that, but it's littered with references to cryptocurrency miners. Posts and comments abound on Riot, the ticker of Riot Blockchain, and Mara, Marathon Digital Holdings Incorporated, two Bitcoin mining stocks whose rise of more than 7,600% last year as of March 12th has surpassed Bitcoin's tenfold surge. Oh, can we talk about Riot now? Nice. I guess I can show this 16-bagger, one user said, using the investing forum's language in February post to brag about a 16-fold return on their investment. Reddit didn't create the mania for miners and cryptocurrency brokerage shares which have ridden the rally in Bitcoin in the last year, but inclusion of those names in the message board does reflect the allure of big crypto stock winners when Bitcoin is booming. Check out the HAL Finny mug at shop www.worldcryptonetwork.com. You can also get the Trezors Don't Float 2.0 t-shirt and mug. Don't take your Trezor on a boat. Your Trezor don't float. The price of Bitcoin is up 4% in the last 24 hours, with a last of 59,673, a high of 60,499, an all-time high, and a low of 56,130. That's $1 for 1,676 Satoshis. Volume was at 13,364 Bitcoins changing hands. The market continues to lean long, with 94% of the market heading that direction. Bitcoin dominance was at 80%. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Join us on Twitter Spaces, where we'll attempt to build a Bitcoin full node. Until next time, bye-bye.